Greetings to all. Today we are going to see NCERT syllabus Social Science Geography Chapter 1 Resource. Introduction. Anything that can be used to satisfy a need is a resource. Utility or usability is what makes an object or substance a resource. How does something become a resource? Things become resource only when they have a value. Its use or utility gives a value. All resources have some value. Value means worth. Some resources have economic value and some do not. But both are important and satisfy human needs. Time and technology are two important factors that can change substance into resource. Resources are generally classified into three types: natural, human, and human made.
Natural resource that are drawn from nature and used without much modification are called natural resource. Example, air we breathe. Human made resource. People use natural resource to make bridges, roads, buildings, vehicles, which are known as human made resource. Technology is also a human made resource. Human resource. People are human resource. How people ourselves are a resource? People themselves are the most important resource. It is their idea, knowledge, invention, and discoveries that lead to creation and more resources.
Conserving resources. Using resources carefully and giving them time to get renewed is called resource conservation. Balancing the need to use resources and also conserve them for the future is called sustainable development. The future of our planet and its people is linked with our ability to maintain and preserve the life support system that nature provides. Therefore, it is our duty to ensure that all uses of renewable resources are sustainable. The diversity of life on the earth is conserved. The damage to the nature environmental system is minimized.
Let's see natural resource deeply. Natural resources are classified into different groups depending upon their level of development and use origin, stock and distribution. On the basis of their development and use resource can be classified into two groups: actual resource and potential resource. Actual resource are those resources whose quality is known. These resources are being used in the present. Example, plateau in Maharashtra. Potential resources are those whose entire quality may not be known and these are not being used at the present. These resources could be used in the future. Based on their origin, resource can be biotic. Abiotic resources are non-living while biotic resources are living. Soil, rock and minerals are abiotic but plants and animals are biotic resources.
Natural resources can be broadly categorized into renewable and non renewable resources. Renewable resources are those which get renewed or replenished quickly, for example, solar and wind energy. Non renewable resources are those have limited stock, for example, coal, petroleum, and natural gas are some examples. On the basis of their distribution, resources can be ubiquitous or localized. Resources that are found everywhere, like air we breathe, are ubiquitous, but those which are found only in certain places are localized, like copper and iron ore.
We have completed the lesson. We hope that you understood the lesson easily.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Thank you.